Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Had a farmer out the road has brought me in this Kingquad 300. Gets hot and cuts out. Fuck's sake. 5 acres and he's got to be at the shed. As I was saying, gets hot and cuts out. He was worried it was, or he wasn't worried, he said it was the fuel. I can pretty well tell you now, through my experience with these, it's not fuel. So we'll run him in the shed and I'll show you what's going on. What I've got is a spark tester. Plug the steel end into your plug cap. Put that in over your spark plug. I'll show you how it works. That'll ignite red when it's got spark. No spark. There'll be nothing at all. Probably about 20 bucks at Auto Pro. Greatest diagnostic tool for a simple thing. I'll put him on and we'll give you a demo. So as you can see, if you look, see we got spark when it's cold. It's a diagnostic tool, that one. Spark, like me in the 80s, we like this stuff. Hooked onto the plug, hooked into the lead, female and male end, say what you will. Line him over, no spark. As you see in the last demonstration, nice red glow. It's got full battery charger, I've even got a jump pack on it. So what we'll do now is suck on that a little bit. Pull some plastics off and a seat off, and I've already tested it. It'll go. Some people's going to say it's the coil. It's not the coil. I've tested the coil with ohmmeter, and I've also put another coil on just to double check because they can be a bit funny when you test them. So I'll pull some plastics off her. Just get in there. Ding dong. Righto. Righto. Seat and the plastics are off. Now, the stator, which creates the spark and is causing the drama, is in here. So what we'll do now is give it a good wash off, take the tyre off, jack it up. We'll have to take all that cover off, drain the oil, and the stator will be in there that has to be replaced. Not a small job, it's got to be done. No good like that. Righto. Got the covers off, wheel off, jacked up. I'll put a drain tin underneath it. I'll drain the oil and I'll undo that casing there and pull it off, and I'll show you the stator and we'll replace it. Righto guys, all the bolts are out. For that selector lever, just make sure you put a pin hole in line with the line on the shaft. Goes back in the right direction then. Right area. Right, a little bit of levering, a little bit of persuasion. Out she'll pop. Righto guys, as you can see, I've got it off. I forgot to keep pressing record. What I forgot to do is, what I didn't show you is to release this swing arm. It's just the bolt at the back, shock bolt, and fuck that up. Casing's off. There is the stator that we will be replacing. It runs inside the flywheel there. Just check that. That's fine on that one. That is the stator. They get hot and they fail to produce spark. There's just 3 bolts to remove those. Wiring loom comes through the side of the top of the housing there. Righto. So I'll match that stator up with the correct one. Get one ordered. I'll probably do a follow-up video of putting it in and refitting it. So just one thing to be careful of. Starter gears have dropped out when you take the housing off. The bearings have dropped off a couple of spaces, that's alright, I don't know where they are, so just be aware that you know where everything goes. And it's pretty simple. We'll get a gasket. It's fucked. Put those bearings and those 2 shims back into place. That's the rod there. It usually stays on the motor and the starter assembly's on it, so I'll just take that off and put it back in. Anyway, I hope it's helped someone out. Give us a thumbs up or any questions or any advice. No one's an expert. Anyway, I'll do a recap and then get the bits. Righto, finished up a bit early back there. Just going to take the stator out. Show you what it looks like. 3 8mm bolts. They're not all the same as this, some are a little bit different. And they're tight. Your trigger, they can be faulty too. We'll get them both in the kit, as you'll see. Alright, when you remove that gasket there, take out that down. Best put those back in the block before you put it back on. Help your line everything up. And there you have it. Sometimes there's a bolt down in here. There's not on this one. Remember where it goes, but we'll only go one way. That's your stator. Quad bike's sitting still, farmer fixes the fence, they get hot and they fuck. Can't see any evidence of damage. That's what it'll be. Put him over there. Everything else. Take that other DO out if I can. Put him back in the block. Now I'll clean him up. Get all the old gasket off. Clean him up with a brush. Clean the surface on the block. Clean surfaces. Get a new gasket, obviously. Probably pays while you got it apart to get those seals too. There's a seal in there. There's a seal there for your shifter. That comes out on your flywheel. Sorry, not on your flywheel, on your pull start wheel. So I'm just going to let that soak in here. Go and have some dinner. Tea. Dinner. Whatever you call it for an afternoon. Some call it dinner, I call it tea. Oh, fuck. Thanks for watching. Like and share. I've got some pretty good videos coming up soon. Been a bit ordinary at the moment. Anyhow. Fuck. Don't turn the compressor on.